Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. I'm going to do a review on the Hart 20-volt weed trimmer. So it comes with the charger and a battery. You're going to have to take the battery off, plug the charging, you plug it right into the battery, and then you're going to plug this right into the wall. It's got little lights on there to show you when it's charged, but you're going to, when the battery's charged, install it. Now the feed, it's lined, the line size is 0.065. You can restring the spool that's in there, or you can buy a new spool that it comes with. You can buy a new spool to put in there. It doesn't come with one, but you can restring that one that's in there. It's very easy to do. I have a separate video on that. 0.065. Now it's an auto feed stringer trimmer. You don't bump it to get the line to come out. The line is going to come out automatically as it wears down. So it's very simple. There is a safety switch here you're going to pull. That way when you pull the trigger, it's going to activate. I got a handle. I can rotate it too. I can rotate it. Now I can do more of like a vertical cut. Simply just press this button, rotate it back, and now the angle is kind of shallow. I wish it was kind of like a little bit more taller angle, but let's see how it actually works. Now let's rotate it, do some trimming, edging. All right, stop. Okay, overall length, 58 inches. To the handle is about 32, but I can adjust that handle up and down. To the handle is about 51 inches. So it's not going to handle the thickest of grass. It's meant for light duty. It is extremely lightweight. But I do wish the angle was up a little bit higher, like more of a tilt to it. It's kind of low to the ground for me, and I'm 6'2". So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.